A newly emerged satellite image has confirmed long-standing speculation that China's Type 093B nuclear-powered attack submarine is outfitted with a vertical launch system for land attack cruise missiles. The imagery, taken on February 4, provides a rare and detailed view of the Huludao nuclear submarine shipyard in Liaoning Province, China. The image clearly shows 12 tube hatches on the vessel, confirming previous reports and models attributed to China State Shipbuilding Corporation that indicated the submarine would feature a VLS capability. Another satellite imagery of the shipyard captured a Type 093B submarine positioned in a transfer dock, a facility created to transport newly constructed submarines from the assembly hall. 12 launches are visible in the image. The side-by-side comparison of both 093B in the first shot also demonstrates how these launches are much harder to spot, once the outer hull covers them. First, the 093 family may have been designed from the start to accommodate vertical launch systems, with these features only being fully implemented in the latest variant, while earlier models retained space and weight provisions. Alternatively, the 093B could represent a complete redesign of its predecessors, which effectively makes it a separate class. China has been evaluating submarine-launched cruise missile VLS capabilities for years. The Type 032 missile testing submarine, which was fitted with a 4-cell VLS for land attack cruise missiles likely around 2017, when modifications were also made for the JL-3 ballistic missile. The history of the 093 class is complex, as existing submarines exhibit a remarkable variety in design differences, suggesting the entire class is a highly developmental approach. This could lend support to the idea that VLS integration was always part of the broader 093 program. Regardless, the Type 093B features various changes to both the outer hull and sail. Sources claimed that at least 3 appear to have been built and operational. Some sources suggest as many as 8 have been launched. The Type 093B is now established as an SSGN, nuclear-powered guided missile submarine. Featuring significant changes versus earlier 093 raises significant questions as to exact development history for 093, some of which may never get fully answered. Overall numbers to date. The Type 093B is a guided missile nuclear-powered attack submarine, SSGN, classified as such by the U.S. military. As a conventionally armed missile submarine, it is engineered to improve China's anti-ship capabilities and could serve as a stealthy land attack platform if equipped with land attack cruise missiles, LACMs. This capability is important for the People's Liberation Army Navy plan to project power beyond its coastal waters and strike strategic land-based targets from a submerged position. The Type 093B measures 351 feet in length, with a 36-foot beam and a 24-foot draft. When submerged, it displaces over 6,000 tons. With a pressurized water reactor, the submarine can remain at sea indefinitely, limited only by food supplies and crew endurance. This gives China unrestricted operational range, which allows it to conduct extended patrols and maintain a persistent underwater presence in key maritime regions. A crew of 100 personnel is needed to operate the submarine. The Type 093B is outfitted with Type 359 radar for surface and aerial detection, as well as a comprehensive sonar array, including hull-mounted sonar, flank array sonar, passive intercept sonar, and a towed array sonar.